We're up through that. We're up through the that high. We should come up here and we got to get through the 50 area here, and then come up, make a double top, or maybe we'll just simply break out. We don't know yet. This is really kind of choppy, congested, but who says? I mean, we can't have another move like the overnight one starting right here. Okay, up there. I traded up to, what is that, 58, 57. Okay, and it's marginal support in the upper 40s, mid 40s. Oops. Oh, what's that? What is that? Sell unit at 42. Put a stop and sell unit down at 42. And we should immediately get down below 40 if we're going to go. And we're going to have a stop up above the high at 58 on this if we get going here. Close. Okay, we're filled. Get a stop above at 58. Stop for one unit up at 58. And if this is declining good right here at the New York Open, we're starting to see, looks like clean action here. We got to get down below. That's way down at the 20 area. So we're almost there. We want to see a. Yeah, we are there. Okay, enter a second unit at 19, right just a tick below at 19. Get a second unit in place at 19. And we'll see if maybe that's all she wrote. We go back up from here, or if there's more to this. It's a pretty substantial rise overnight, so we ought to see if we're going to have some sort of corrective behavior. It's probably going to be somewhat more of a decline than this, or at least down to even maybe the mid 90s or so, I would think, for sort of a corrective jig on this. Much less if we were to come way back, like halfway back on that move, which I tend to doubt, but it's as strong as that's been. Okay, it's a reasonable rally off that, which is faded off the 20 low, and we can jiggle around here a bit. Good decline. There we are. We're filled on the second unit. So get your stop bumped up to the full amount, and bring your stop on down to bring it on down to 45, and it's a bit far away, but still this has had a pretty big move right away, and that being the case, we need to give it more room. And that's a bit more than halfway back on the entire move. It's above the first, slice down. Up, down, slightly. Okay, lower, high, lower, low. Good. Great. We're moving on down again. New low for this move. And is this a reasonable stop here? Reasonable spot that it's stopping at? Sell third unit at 07. Sell third unit down at 07. And let's see. Or actually, that should be 06, I guess. If we're going to be under the current low, maybe we'll get it, maybe we won't. Sorry about that. It should be 06 for the third unit if we have a chance to get it in place. I really don't want to be coming up much above where we are right now. The 17 level, that prior low, is kind of as far as we want to get on this move. So I'm a little leery about the size of this move in relation to the first one down at around 7:30 this morning. It was a strong rise after we saw that. We're filled on the last unit. Okay, great. What I want you to do here is I want you to bump your stop up to the full amount for 3 units, and bring your stop down to bring it down to 18 right now. We 18 is it gives us a little bit of profit. 12 ticks or so, 13 ticks, 14, 11, depending on what unit size you're trading. But notice that the legs that we've had down, they've been getting smaller each time, and this is really the second moved down, almost got lifted there, from the 7:30 to 7:35 or so, or 7:30ish. First leg down sideways, slightly corrective up move from which we sold right at the New York Open, and we've got the legs we've had moving down thus far are they've been getting smaller, so that makes me leery that we might have another run up here real fast, in which case we don't want to have this trade with 3 units be a break even. We want to have a little bit of profit in it, and maybe the stop's a little bit too close, but we can always get back in again, which would be a low, which if we get stopped out, we're going to be looking to resell the low, probably. We'll see how it works out, but somewhere around the even level. Oops, we just got filled on 3 units. Well, good job. We stopped out on 3 units. Good profit. Let's keep focused here, because we may have to be getting back